All right, guys. My wife came out this morning to go to church, and she came in and the car would not start, excuse me. Car would not start. So let's try it. We got a new remote and a new key because we lost the other one. So let's unlock. Won't unlock. No lights, won't flash, won't do anything. Won't lock, unlock. Won't do anything. Unlock. Let's try to manually use the key. Open the door. Won't do a word. I'm pushing this. I don't know if it's the battery or what. Let's see. All right. Trying to jump the Malibu off with my Acura, and I still don't see any lights on. So let's see if that works. I come in, no lights. Won't do a thing. Won't do a thing. Doesn't work. Try to turn the headlights on, doesn't do anything. On pretty tight. It's a pretty new battery.